Do you want to create a beautiful henna design like this? You can with MŌDA's 12-piece Bold Artistry kit. This kit comes with 4 different shapes of brushes in different varying sizes to help you create the design that you want. Let's start with the angled brush. This set comes with 2 different sizes of angular brushes. The one that you see me using here is the larger of the 2. You can hold the angled brush in 2 different ways to create different types of lines. Here I made a thick line, but I can also make a really thin, precise line as well. You can also create various designs just by switching up the pressure and the angle at which you hold the brush. The larger angle brush can be used to create defined lines and shapes that cover a larger area. You can watch me do the same techniques with the smaller angle brush as well. This brush can also be used to create some fine hair-like strokes to fill in eyebrows. You can also use this thin angled brush to create a defined wing eyeliner. Next up are the oval brushes. There are 3 different sizes of oval brushes in the set, and I'm going to show you how to use them all. As with all brushes, you can create many different lines and strokes just by changing the angle with which you use it. Here, you can see me use the flat side of the brush to lay down a thick line, while I use the top thin edge to draw a very thin line. This is a very similar technique to the one that I just used previously with the angular brushes. I can also take advantage of the round shape of the brush and create daisies and simple floral designs. You can see me use the brush almost like a stamp to create petals. Oval brushes like this are amazing because they're so incredibly versatile. You can use the larger oval brush to put on concealer, color corrector, or even carve out a cut crease. The medium oval brush can be used for eyeshadows and patting on glitter. And the smallest oval brush can be used for precise lipstick applications. Up next are the flat brushes. This set includes 3 sizes of flat brushes, which you can use in many different ways. You can use the larger flat brush to draw thick or thin lines, as well as filling in large spaces very quickly. You can see how the flat top of the brush helps me achieve ultimate precision. These brushes are great for graphic eyeliners as well. Another way that you can use flat brushes is to actually clean up around edges where you find any smudges. You can also create beautiful gradient lines using this next technique. Load up one half of the brush with one color and the other half with another, and then paint with it and you can see a beautiful gradient line. Next up are the liner brushes. There are 4 different sizes of liner brushes in this set. The larger liner brush can be used to create bold eyeliners and more broad strokes. If you apply more pressure when you lay the brush down and then gently release, you can create this gradient thick to thin line as well. This type of stroke can be used to create petals for flowers and so many other flourishes. The 2 larger liner brushes are also wonderful for lipstick application. Now, if you want to create the perfect graphic liner in one stroke, these 2 smaller liner brushes are incredible for that. You can use those 2 brushes for even the smallest details. Each of the liner brushes in the set have a pointed tip at the end. You can use the tip of the brush to create some precise dots as well. Here you can see me do that with the smallest liner brush, and it looks like small teeny freckles. And there you have it. You now have every single tool that you need to create a gorgeous henna design.